Incoming and the outgoing, whether it's on the neutral or the live or the phase. So the incoming will be fed on either of these two provisions here, and what you need to do is to simply lift up that lever like that. Once you fit in one connection, all you need to do is to do it like that, and you can see that metallic section in there clipping. So that is what will be happening whenever you connect a cable or a wire inside there. It simply goes in. Let us try. So because we have already dented our wire, we'll strip. Then just strip the neutral. So for this, we will require these two Wago connectors, one for the neutral line, the other one for the phase. Starting with the phase, I will simply insert it like that, then make that clip, and then for this other cable, the incoming one, I'll simply connect it inside there and then make that connection. What you need to know is that it is very tightly holding in there as it clips. So for the face, we are done. When it comes to the neutral, we do the same. Take another Wago connector like that, as you can see. So we'll simply insert it in there, just ensuring it goes all in, and then we clip for that part just like that. What I can assure you is that it is really tight, making that connection electrically and mechanically sound. Then take the other one and insert in there, clip it like that, and so take them inside. Once we are done with those connections, you can see how decent they look. All that we need to do is to now take them inside like that, and then using our cover, we'll disconnect that connection. Next time you simply lift up the levers like that. And what I would like to show you that is very interesting with these connectors is that the wires are not damaged or dented. It is just a scratch, so leaving our wires so good. And you notice how easily I have disengaged that lever, just like that, just like that. And there we have it. Also on the neutral, what we have is clean wires, not damaged or dented. And look at how fast I did it. So if I want to connect the Wago connectors back, it is super easy for me. Just a matter of plug and play, or you just clip it inside there, sure that it goes all in, clip, and we are done with the face, the neutral, very fast. If you can remember what we were doing with the insulation tape, it was quite overwork there, and all that we need to do is to take them back like that, and we are good to go.